Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics Part 1, Standard 10th, Topic Probability Part 3. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. In this video, we will learn what is probability, how to find probability of an event, and practice set 5.4. Probability of an event. In mathematical language, when possibility of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called probability. It is expressed as a fraction or percentage. Formula to find probability of an event. P of A is equal to number of sample points in the event A upon number of sample points in sample space, which is equals to N of A upon N of S. Practice set 5.4. Question 1. If one coin is tossed, find the probability of the following events. Solution. Let S be the sample space. When one coin is tossed, S is equals to HH, HT, TH, TT. Therefore, N of S is equal to 4. First, getting at least one head. Let A be the event of getting at least one head. Therefore, A is equals to HH, HT, TH. Therefore, N of A is equal to 3. Therefore, P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. Therefore, P of A is equal to 3 upon 4. Second event, getting no head. Let B be the event of getting no head. Therefore, B is equals to TT. Therefore, N of B is equals to 1. Therefore, P of B is equal to N of B upon N of S. Therefore, P of B is equals to 1 upon 4. Question 2. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of the following events. Solution. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Therefore, S is equals to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Therefore, N of S is equal to 36. Let's see the event. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. Let A be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. Therefore, A is equals to 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. Therefore, N of A is equal to 6. So, P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S, that is P of A is equal to 6 upon 36. So, P of A is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore, P of A is equals to 1 upon 6. Now, let's see the second event. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. Let B be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. Therefore, B is equal to empty set. So, N of B is equal to 0. Therefore, P of B is equal to N of B upon N of S, which is equals to 0 upon 36 is equals to 0. Therefore, P of B is equal to 0. Third event, the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Let C be the event that the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Therefore, C is equals to 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 5, 4, 6, 4, 6, 5. Therefore, N of C is equal to 15. Therefore, P of C is equal to N of C upon N of S, which is equals to 15 upon 36, that is 5 upon 12. Therefore, P of C is equals to 5 upon 12. Question 3. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the numbers from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of the given event. Here S is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Therefore, n of s is equal to 15. Now, let's see the first event, that is shows an even number. Let A be the event that ticket drawn bears an even number. So, A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Therefore, n of a is equal to 7. Therefore, P of a is equal to n of a upon n of s, that is 7 upon 15. Therefore, P of a is equal to 7 upon 15. Let's see the second event. Shows an number which is a multiple of 5. So, let B be the event that the ticket drawn bears a number which is multiple of 5. So, B is equal to 5, 10, 15. So, n of B is equal to 3. Now P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S, that is 3 upon 15. Therefore P of B is equals to 1 upon 5. Question 4. A two-digit number is formed with digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. Find the probability of the given event. Let's see the solution. S is equal to 23, 25, 27, 29, 32, 35, 37, 39, 52, 53, 57, 59, 72, 73, 75, 79, 92, 93, 95, 97. Therefore, n of s is equal to 20. Let's see the event. An odd number. So, let A be the event that two-digit odd numbers are formed. Therefore, A is equals to 23, 25, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, 73, 75, 79 and 93, 95, 97. Therefore, n of A is equal to 16. So, P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S, that is 16 upon 20. So, P of A is equal to 4 upon 5. Let's see the second event, a multiple of 5. Let B be the event that the two-digit number formed is a multiple of 5. Therefore, B is equals to 25, 35, 75 and 95. So, n of B is equal to 4. So, P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S, that is 4 upon 20. Therefore, P of B is equals to 1 upon 5. Question 5. A card is drawn at a random from a pack of well-shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability of the given event. Here, S is equal to, there are 52 cards, therefore n of S is equal to 52. Let's see the first event, an ace card. Let A be the event that the ace card is drawn. Therefore, A is equal to diamond ace, spade ace, club ace and heart ace. So, n of A is equal to 4. Therefore, P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S, that is 4 upon 52. Therefore, P of A is equal to 1 upon 13. Second event, a spade card. Let B be the event that the card drawn is a spade card. Therefore, B is equals to, there are 13 spade cards. So, n of B is equal to 13. Therefore, P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S, that is 13 upon 52. Therefore, P of B is equals to 1 upon 4. Thank you.